All right, got a Speed Tech Lite unboxing here. Hope you all enjoyed that last video. Really worked hard on that for y'all. Started making some changes to the YouTube channel last night. We've added a subscribe logo at the corner. It should be showing up. It has been showing up in all my other videos. So make sure you subscribe for awesome Speed Tech, strobes and more, all kinds of content. We're actually going to be changing a thermostat in my truck later. So I got a video I'm gonna do on that. Would you look at that? Joshy, I got you a flashy light. So not only did he get a, this is for a friend of mine, by the way. Got him some stickers. I got him, you can go online for his instruction manual, which you don't need that. It gives him a 10% off order next code. They do that. I got him a sticker that he can put on his, who just messaged me? He can put on his truck. Oh, that's Zeb wanting to come change my thermostat out. There's his order pack. There's some trash. This is for his skid steer. He plows snow, does lawn care just like me, and he got a hold of me and said, hey, also there's your new box. What can you do about getting me a light? Or asked if I had any used ones, and I said, no, I don't, but I can get you a brand new one with a 5-year warranty with bright optics. That's actually a lot bigger than I figured it would be. But this is the 14-inch micro, couldn't think of what it was called. Micro K-Force. This is in amber. It's real heavy. Definitely durable. Definitely real nice light. Got the receipt code on there. Got plenty of cord. He got the cigarette plug. You can hook up to it and do his flash pattern stuff. I do have to. We ordered this half amber, half white. As you can see the sticker here, half amber, half white. He wants it alternating amber white. So the white and the amber is getting split through the whole entire light. It was going to cost like an extra 20 bucks. So he's like, can you do that for me? I said, yeah, no problem. Just take these screws out. We'll pop this lid off. And we will move these modules around. Now I'll have to obviously go plug it in. Figure out which side is amber, which side's white. I think this is the amber side, and I think that's the white side. I do have a diagram pulled up online, so I know which modules I need to move. I will tape the modules that I need to move, and all that stuff. I'll tape the ones that are white, and then the ones that are amber, I'll leave, so I know which ones I need to move. But yeah, pretty cool light. Definitely very nice light, actually, real heavy. 14-inch K-Force micro light bar from Speed Tech Lights. That's going to wrap it up. I mean, like I say, this is definitely really built. I think this is going to look really good on top of his skid steer. He's going to come pick it up, I think, this evening. And then I told him we could get some video of it once he gets it mounted. So I could show Speed Tech and show you guys all how it looks on top of the skid steer. So yeah, really cool. Anyway, we'll talk to you guys in the next clip. All right, well, here we go. Obviously this is a daytime shot, but again, white is extremely bright. There's a side angle. I think he's gonna like it. With the way this corner is, it does kind of throw off a little bit of light to the side. You do lose a little bit of light right here, but not a whole lot. It'd be kind of cool if they could have done like a 180 optic right here on each side to kind of cover the sides a little bit better. But that's something that might be in the works. The magnets are very strong. Very strong. Like I say, I'm going to take these screws off, move these modules around for him, since I'm pretty capable of doing that. But yeah, very bright. I think that's the pattern that would look good for the alternating. We'll get it all set up alternating, and then we will come back out and try it again when it's set up for alternating. Okay, we're back inside. I went ahead and marked with some painter's tape. This is the white side, that's the amber side. So we're gonna take these screws off. These 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 screws out. We're gonna pop this lid. They're Phillips head screws. Got little weatherproofing little deals on them, so that's cool. Push a little harder here. Where's my lens at? That little clear thing right there, that's a little weatherproofing deal they put on the end of the screw. It sounds like they're torqued because they're making a little noise. I think they were torqued to a certain. Maybe that's my drill making a noise. I think that's my drill making a noise. I'm just going to leave that one in there. It'll come out of the way. Oops, bit came off. Okay, so we're going to. Okay, it took 2 hands to get the, even though I got my phone on a tripod. This just comes right off. Lifts right off. Nice plastic carbide deal there. This is what the inside looks like. Take this down just a little bit more so you can see. All right, so we got my tablet here with the Speed Tech light. I took a picture of the screen. Shows me where the lights need to go. Okay, so basically I need to leave this one and that one alone. All I need to do is move these 2 here and these 2 to here. So should be pretty simple. These 2, this one goes here, that one goes there, that one goes there, that one goes there. So, okay, back up here. Didn't really show you there. The camera wasn't looking right. But anyway, what we're gonna do is we're gonna move these guys. That's all we have to move. And it looks like we just got little screws here we got to undo. And then figure out, we got some zip ties in here, which I can re-zip tie. Just got to cut the little zip tie there and just move the lights around. Okay, so got the little cutters here. Be careful not to cut the deal. You just want to find a spot and snip it. There, didn't even mess with the wires. Okay, so all these are free now. So this one needs to be unplugged. So we're just going to grab it, pinch the little tab down, and pull out. Real easy. Okay. And then we're going to follow this cord, goes to this plug. We're going to undo it. Okay, that one's just the end cap one, or the side one here. It can stay. So we're going to go ahead and take these out. Remember, these are amber. Okay, so I'm gonna move. There's the module. What the module looks like. Just got a little bracket. We're gonna slide that off to the side, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do this other one up here in the front. I'm gonna go ahead and lower this camera down for you guys, so I can see what I'm doing. Bless you. You just sneezed on live camera. All right. Anyway, so this one here goes to. Let me back up here a little bit. Move the camera over just here. Just a skosh, where you guys can see. Okay, now I have this setting on a low setting so I don't strip out any bolts. Basically, you want to go ahead and Separate these two. Really simple. This is field changeable. PCB boards in the way. I don't know what these other two top links are for. It must be for the bigger micro bars. I may have to get a screwdriver to get these out. I got these where they're really tight in there and I can't get, hold on. When all else fails, get a smaller screwdriver. That was too big to fit down in between here. Just gonna loosen these two screws that hold this module down. Let me try this one. A little better bit on it. There we go. Okay. Oops. Now, since we know this one just goes over here, I'm just gonna replace it. Little holes. All right, so we got that module moved from over here. And then we're gonna put this amber one over here. Get it to line up. Kind of goes under the PCB board there just a little bit and then screw it down. Also, make sure you hook up your cables. It's just a quick push. That one's good. We'll zip tie all that back together when we're done. So yeah, pretty simple stage. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of this and we'll see you in the next. All right, well, we got all the connectors changed out. The lights moved around. So we basically have white, amber, white. Wait a minute here. Did I put those back wrong? No, wait. I think I put them back in there wrong. No, that's right. Just couldn't see the color of the diode. So white, amber, white, amber, white, amber. So alternating. All right, well, it's time to put the lid on. Okay, again, put these on my deal here. Screw gun, make it a little faster. Set so they won't strip. X pattern. So we're going to X pattern these and then X pattern these. So I'm going to go out here on the side. And go to here. Okay. And go to here. And go to here. We're going to X pattern these. All right. Never would have been able to tell that I went in there and switched the lights. Now, this does not void your warranty. As long as you do not do something to make it mess up, as long as you're just moving plug and play, you should be fine. If you do something to improperly do something and it burns it up, then it might void your warranty. But anyway, 5-year warranty on this, guys. It's got the new things in there that make the TIR. This is a TIR K-Force Micro 14-inch. It's actually, I think, just a smidgen more than 14 inches. Well, it's actually about 13. I don't know why they call it the 14. It's only a 13-incher. So, pretty sure. Measure this here from, get off there. Yeah, it's about 13 and a quarter. 13 and a quarter inches long from here to here. So it's technically not a 14-inch, but that's what they call it. Anyway, let's go out and see how she looks now. And there we go, alternating amber white. 343, done it again. Pretty simple, guys. Definitely gonna get light spread pretty good now. Gonna get amber spread out more and white spread out more. So this is the baby to the big one. I like it. Little tractors, little UTV, ATVs, these would be perfect. I will say I think they're just a little bit heavier than mine. It's weird. It just feels heavier, but I mean, it's strong, rugged, got good magnets. Obviously, they're not sticking to that. That's plastic, but very good magnets. Anyway, hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button. Yeah, if you ain't yet, please subscribe, and we will catch you in the next one. Feel free to comment. Sorry, my comments got turned off for some reason, if y'all haven't been able to comment. But they are active again, and you guys can more than feel free to comment. If you have any questions, you can also join the 343 family. I will put the link to the 343 page in the description, and I'll also put the link to this item in the description. So have a good one, guys. We'll catch you in the next one.